This is the Insta360 Ace Pro. In this video, I'm going to use it to film some real estate work. Let me know what you think. In this entire video, I am just going to hold the Insta360 Ace Pro with just my fingers so you can see how well the flow state stabilization works. I will not be adding any post-stabilization in any of the clips to give you an idea of how the clips are coming straight out of the Ace Pro camera. In terms of camera settings, I am shooting in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second in linear mode with the HDR mode turned on, so you should be able to see how great the dynamic range is in the footage. Take a look especially the details outside the windows. To purchase a Insta360 Ace Pro, use my link in the description below to also get some freebies with your order straight from Insta360. Like and subscribe for more Insta360 content.